If you're experiencing an international transfer pending status on Wise, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you understand the potential reasons for the delay and how to fix it. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Wise account and navigate to the transfer section. Review the status of your transfer to confirm it is still marked as pending. Step 2. Review transfer details. Ensure that all the details you provided for the transfer, such as recipient information and bank details, are correct. Any inaccuracies can lead to delays. Step 3. Verify payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact Wise support. If the transfer remains pending, reach out to Wise customer support. Provide them with your transfer details so they can assist you in identifying the issue. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After contacting support, be patient as they investigate the issue. They will provide updates on the status of your transfer and any necessary actions you may need to take. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the international transfer pending issue on Wise efficiently. If problems persist, continue to communicate with Wise support for further assistance.